Welcome to Kids Nursery TV.
The farmer drives his tractor through the fields and flowers.
Go tug, tug, tug.
Cow says moo and waves her tail. Piggy rolls in mud, oh what a tale. Tractor goes round, round, round. Animals dancing all around. Clap your hands, stomp your feet. Farmyard friends are such a treat. Meeting the animals in the morning sun.
Duck says quack
and joins the fun. Sheep goes ba-ba under the tree. Frogs jump high and say
ribbit wee.
Tractor goes round, round, round. Animals dancing all around. Clap your hands, stomp your feet. Farmyard friends are such a treat. Round the pond, through the hay. Tractor takes us on a joyful way. Horses neigh and trot so fast. Hold on tight, the fun will last. Sun goes down, the sky turns red. Animals yawn and go to bed. Tractor slows, it's time to rest. Farmer hugs them, they feel so blessed.
Tractor goes slow, slow, slow. Animals whisper good night, go, go. Softly clap, gently sway.
Farmyard friends will see another day. Slow, soft, and in the farm, moon shining bright. Animals snuggle and sleep tight. Chug, 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 and hush now. Dreaming of fun on the farm.
Ah!
Thank you for watching. Hooray! Don't forget to click subscribe today.